right now.
Well, in North Carolina, way back in the hills, me and my old pappy and he had the stick. He brewed white lightning till the sun went down. Then he filled up his jug and he passed it around. Mighty, mighty pleasing, my pappy's corn squeezing. Shoo, white lightning.
Yeah.
Well, the G-Man, T-Man, Reverend Doers too, searching for a place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept on cooking.
Shoo, white lightning. Why he called his brew White Lightning instead of Mountain Dew. I took one sip and right away I knew my eyes started bulging and my face turned blue. Lightning started flashing and the thunder started crashing. Shoo, White Lightning.
Oh, the G-Man, T-Man, Reverend Doers too, searching for a place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept on cooking. Shh, white lightning. Well, the silly sicker came and he said, I'm tough. I think I want to taste that powerful stuff.
He took one slug and he drank it right down. I heard him moan when he hit the ground. Mighty, mighty pleasing, your pappy's corn squeezing.
White
lightning.
Well, the G-Man, T-Man, Reverend Doers too, searching for a place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept on cooking.
Sweet white lightning.